Let's go ahead and stage a website at TVCNet and then make some changes to our staging site and then copy that back to our live site. So here we go. We're going to jump into WP Toolkit and we're going to go to the clone option. Now the clone option is just another word for staging, so we're going to let that go. I'm going to change the staging name just to staging 1 just to be unique. And then kind of check the settings. Looks good, looks good. Let's go ahead and start. So this is just going to create a nice staging site for us within the same cpanel account. All right, so now that we've completed the staging site, let's go ahead and jump on over to it and log in. It should be staging 1. There it is. And let's log in. It will keep the same password as the live site, so there's no real reason to change anything. So here's our staging site. I'm going to jump over to the general settings and make a few changes just to demonstrate how easy it is to copy the staging site back to the live site. Okay, we're going to save that. Now that that's done, let's go ahead and copy the data back to our live site. This should be fun. We're going to do that by clicking the Copy Data link. Let's check a few settings. Let's go ahead and set our target to the live site. All right, looks good, looks good. All right. Now we're not going to create a restore point, and the reason for that is that I was smart enough to create a backup using the WordPress toolkit before we started. So if there is a problem, I can quickly recover the site using WordPress toolkit backup recovery option. So let's wait a few moments for the data to copy back to our live site. So now that the data is copied back to our live site, let's go ahead and verify it. Remember, I typed in that gibberish text in our staging site, so I am going to jump on over to our main live site. And then we're going to go to General Settings and verify that the staging site content was copied over. And there it is. And that's all there is to it. How to create a staging site and then use the staging site to update your content and then copy it back.